Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the service. Record Union offers independent artists a platform to distribute their music across a wide range of digital music services, including giants like Spotify, Apple Music, and TikTok. One of the key advantages of using Record Union is its non-exclusive distribution model. This means artists retain complete ownership of their music and are free to work with other distributors or platforms simultaneously. They aren't locked into any restrictive contracts. This flexibility provides artists with greater control over their careers and allows them to explore multiple avenues for reaching their audience. Furthermore, Record Union boasts a transparent and artist-friendly approach to royalty payments. They provide detailed reports and analytics, giving artists clear insights into their earnings and streaming performance. This level of transparency empowers artists to make informed decisions about their marketing and distribution strategies. Beyond just distribution, Record Union offers additional resources and tools to help artists navigate the music industry. These include educational materials, promotional opportunities, and access to a supportive community of fellow musicians. This holistic approach to artist development distinguishes Record Union from many other digital distributors. Moreover, Record Union's pricing structure is designed to be accessible for independent artists. They offer various distribution plans to suit different budgets and needs, including a free option with limited features. This accessibility makes it a viable option for artists at all stages of their careers, from those just starting out to those with established fan bases. By removing financial barriers, Record Union empowers a broader range of musicians to share their work with the world. Finally, the platform is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, simplifying the often complex process of digital music distribution. This ease of use allows artists to focus on what they do best, creating music. With its streamlined interface, Record Union makes it easy for artists to upload their tracks, manage their releases, and track their performance across various platforms.